Welcome guys. Today we will start a video series on C practice problem of Hackerrank. We will break and solve each problem and eventually I will help you to master C language. If you are new to my channel and want to see such more videos, please consider subscribing. Now, as you can see on the screen, the first problem is Hello World in C. It's an easy problem, and eventually if you start any programming language, this is the first problem you have been given: print a thing. But the question here is a little bit different. You have to not just print something, you have to also read from the console. So the challenge asks you, read a string from the console. In our case, sample 0. It's a welcome to the C programming. Print hello world and the read string on two separate lines. It's a easy, straightforward. In C programming languages, a string is a character array, which I will discuss it little later, probably in the next problem itself, and then there I will explain you why it is read like this. So for now, bear with me. The character array has been defined and I have read the string. Now we have to print this. So I have used the printf statement. The hello world, please use it as it is required, or else we will get a wrong answer. So hello world with the as it is, \n the new line character to introduce a new line over here like this. A string is a character type in C which is been output using percentage, and as usual s is been given to tell which string we have to output. So submitting the code. In our case there is only one test case and it is passed. Hope this added some valuable knowledge to you. See you in the next video. If you want to know more, there I have given a link in the description of my blog. If you want to read about it, go to the blog and read as well. See you in the next video.